How to hide Instagram chat? Hiding Instagram chat is quite easy and simple. Do follow all the steps till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Without much ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll a bit down. Choose Account Type and Tools. Select Switch to Professional Account. Tap Continue. Choose the category and tap Done. Tap Next button. Tap Not Now. Now exit from this Instagram page and now reopen Instagram. Switching to professional account is very important as you will get the feature there. Tap chat icon at top right corner of the screen and you will see primary section. Tap and hold particular chat you want to hide on Instagram. Now tap move to general and the chat has been hidden from the primary section. That's it. That's how we easily hide Instagram chat. I hope this video worked. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe to our channel and press notification bell for more tech and tips.